The RX10 is designed as a portable, lightweight, and feature-rich rugged tablet for field service. To serve professionals who require uncompromised mobility, the RX10 is designed at just 18.8 millimeters thin and 1.2 kilograms, with a brilliant 10.1-inch LumaBond 2.0 sunlight-readable display, offering better contrast and more crisp colors. The RX10 can be configured with fingerprint scanner, RFID reader, or 1D, 2D imager barcode reader. Your RX10 can also be configured with 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and dedicated GPS. Getacs Life Support hot swappable battery design allows you to swap the main battery with a fresh one without shutting down the system. The optional snapback add-ons increases the functionality by adding a kickstand, smart card reader, or even a detachable keyboard. RX10 is truly set apart as the next generation 2-in-1 rugged tablet.